Hello, I'm Sherilyn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a video while playing music in the background for iOS device. This video is especially for those of you who wish to create singing covers. Please ensure that you have these following equipment prepared before you start recording. You should have your iOS device, your earphones, as well as a stand for your device. You will also need a set of apps installed on your device. To find out more about those apps, check out my video on it. You will also need a set of apps to do this video recording. Please ensure that you have the VLC app, the While You Rec app, and your Files app and Photos app, which are default apps on your iOS device. So now, let's begin. So here I have a stand for my iPad and my earphones attached to the iPad. Now I will go to the Files app to open up the music file that is stored on my device. If you want to know how you can download MP3 files or music files onto your iOS device, check out this video. And my file is installed on the Downloads folder, and here it is, How Great Thou Art Karaoke. So I will tap on it and I will open it in the VLC app. So here you can make sure that the volume is at the appropriate level before you record. And the next thing that you have to ensure is the music is constantly played in the background. This is so that you can be ready when the music starts. So tap on the screen and you will see the three dots at the bottom of the player and select the second icon until you get this icon with the number 1 on it. It means that this song will be looped constantly. And now you will play the music and adjust it to the last minute or so that you can be prepared when you start recording. Now you will exit from the VLC app and you can hear that the music is still played in the background. And then go to the While You Rec app, prepare your position, and then you can press the record button to be ready when the music starts again from the beginning. Before I move on to the next step, I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial so far. If you did, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel as well. Please do get connected with me at my social media platforms. It is free after all. So now let's get back to the tutorial. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. So once you are done recording, press on the stop button of the video and then exit the app. Go to the VLC app so that you can pause the music. So now that the video is done, go to the Photos app to check if it is saved. And there it is, which is the recent video. So that is all for this tutorial. If you want to know how you can edit this video further, check out my next video on how to edit videos on CapCut. You can also check out this video as well. So that is all for this video and I hope to see you soon again. Bye!